Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear compound, which is alcohol and alkene, reacting with HBr and copper cyanide and concentrated HCl. You should find what will be the final product. Here the question is all about selectivity, how HBr behaves or which functional group reacts, OH or alkene. Here HBr behaves as acid because alcohol is more reactive than alkene. Because alcohol is more polar than double bond, so reaction happen with substitution, not with addition. So OH become OH2 by acid. Then you are using the cyanide attacks as a SN2 dash reaction. It's a kind of opposite attack and substitution followed. So you have cyanide addition at terminal. This double bond is switched, cyanide added at terminal carbon. Then you are using the HCl converts Cn into COOH. The concept you outline here is SN2 dash reaction, which is a steric free carbon attack, similar like SN2 reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.